Guys, I'm receiving a lot of concern from employees talking about being afraid if they lose their jobs. In these times, it's actually very possible that you lose your job. But let me tell you something. Now, a lot of people have time. They're stuck at home. Use this time to learn something new, to retool, to acquire a new skill, to take a course, start a new initiative, create a plan for your company and say, given the circumstances that are happening right now, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 just to adapt, start a new project. Whatever it is, don't go home and just sit there and stare at a wall, okay? Do something that is going to make you far more superior than the people around you. Because let me tell you something, when people don't do well, when companies don't do well, people get fired. And the people that get fired are usually probably bad employees or good employees, but they're not going to get rid of the great employees. So make sure that you are demonstrating a lot of value and you're really adapting and you're learning new things and taking initiatives without anybody telling you to do so. Because when people are in panic, they shrink and they self-isolate and they stop interacting with others. So you need to step up to the plate. You need to do something completely different and out of the box, so that when the time comes, your company looks at you and says, no, we got to keep this person. You might lose your job. There's no guarantee, because sometimes companies have to lay off a lot of people, but at least you're learning something new and you're adapting to the market and the circumstances that are happening around you. You never know how this might unfold and where this will actually take you. So use this time. Man's valuable resource is not money, it's time. It's what you do with your time that makes money and creates security in your life and your family's life. Use this time. This is an opportunity, not a limitation. Stay safe, and God bless you.